Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. I told you my Stampin' Up package came. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. You know, one of the great things about not having a good memory is surprises. I think I probably say that every time. It's like Christmas. So let's see what we got here. Of course, we got free toys with the bubble wrap. And I think this order is a lot of things that I wanted, like, and have used. So we're gonna see. Yeah, like this is a replacement, so I love the basic pearls. I like to have a whole bunch of them. So I grabbed another one there. We've got the detailed bands dies. Oh my gosh, I fell in love with these. Can't wait to show you. These are the designer elements. They're in copper, silver, and gold. They're super cute. Wouldn't those look so sweet inside of like one of the flowers, like a daisy or something? So I thought that was nice. This is the 3D embossing folder plate. Even though we don't sell the Big Shot anymore, we're gonna, sometimes you might need a little thicker or thinner. I don't know if this is thicker or thinner, but it's a different plate for the 3D folder embossing. So they sold it and I bought it. We'll try it. I haven't really had any problems yet, so I'm not sure why we needed it exactly, but I will let you know. I also got this Wildly Happy. Oh, I love these little fox and the elephants, the panda bears, and then the rabbits are too cute too. But I just thought this is so sweet for anybody who is having a little one. And this could be a great little invitation card as well for like a baby shower. This is the Artisan Textures. So you know how sometimes you might want a little splatter or something on there. So it comes with little textures there. This is also part of the band together. I bought the two. I knew I wanted the die cuts because they're just super cute. But I bought the two together so that I could save the 10%. And so now I'm looking at this for the first time. But it's got some great sayings. It's got this nice flower that I know I'll be coloring in with my Stampin' Blends. And then it says, "So grateful we are friends. You're a great example to me. Wishing you a happy birthday." Look at, this is for the Beauties. Beautiful inside and out. You're amazing and celebrate the best day ever. Then I picked up the full wide stamp cases. These are like stamp cases that the wood stamps came in. We're not doing wood stamps anymore, but I'm just glad they kept the cases because I've seen different people put like all of their little embellishments in there. I've seen other people put like scissors and glue and tape and their bone folder and their pickup tool in here, and then that's all they carry around. It's this little guy, and they can stamp anytime. And then I've seen one of my Stampin' Beauties, she gave me the idea of putting all the dimensionals in there. So I'm so glad that they came with 4 because now I already have uses for all of them. Let's see, we got some colors. And when I buy my colors, I get the paper for the most part if I don't have it. So we've got Mary Merlot ink pad, which that's the first time I'm buying. And then I got the cardstock that goes with it. I also got the Mossy Meadow and the ink pad and the paper as well. And then I had this Coastal Cabana. It was a color we had before, and then it retired. And I get rid of my retired stuff, which is going to be coming up on my blog soon. And then they brought it back because it's such a wonderful color. So I got it again. But I like that I got it again because it's in the new stamp pad. So I've got Coastal Cabana. And then what else we have in here? Oh, I also got this reversible ribbon. It is the Pretty Peacock Old Olive. And it is reversible. And I can't remember what's on the other side. Oh, it's Old Olive and Pretty Peacock. That's what it is. So really pretty. It's got a great glimmer to it. And then I purchased, I think this is the Poppy. Yes, Light Poppy Parade and Dark Poppy Parade. I purchased the combo of the Stampin' Blends because I don't have that yet. Oh, look. If you saw my last video that had this card in it, I was telling you that I accidentally ordered an additional one, and there it is. So, that's what I made my swaps, based all around the fact that I ordered this extra. And then finally, this is the stitched lace dies. And I talked about that in my last video because, let me get that card out. My friend Kathy made me this card using that stitched frame, stitched lace. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. Oh, so I will show you guys how to use this. I'm so excited. So I got that one as well. So that is everything that I got. I got so much stuff. If you wanted to order, I left this up for you. Make sure you use this host code because if you spend $50 or more, you get to be on my live online class for free. You can also order the Free as a Bird stamp set if you didn't want to place the whole $50 order, and that will also get you on my live online class. So, there we go. My website is jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. I love everything here. Please tell me what your favorite item is. I think my favorite item on this one is the stitched lace. I do think I love it. And I also love the textures. Oh my gosh. I'm still going with the stitched lace. But I love this Wildly Happy. Because this one, I'm going to be able to color with it. I know it's just going to be awesome. So tell me what your favorite item was. And I will go ahead and read them all. I read every single comment every time. And I will talk to you later. Don't forget, if you want to become a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, then I'm going to be doing a live opportunity kind of video tonight if you were interested. All right, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!